Trying to lose weight? Sick of crash diets that don't last? Let's break the cycle. In today's video, I'm sharing 6 realistic and proven fat loss strategies that actually work. No gimmicks, no starvation, no weird detox drinks. Just honest, science-backed tips to help you lose fat and keep it off for good. And if you're serious about faster results, don't miss the training program link in the description. It's what I personally recommend to speed up your fat loss journey. Let's get into it. Number 1, get mentally ready. Before you change your diet or hit the gym, get your mind right. Ask yourself, are you ready to commit? Can you make time for healthy changes? Fat loss isn't a weekend project, it's a mindset shift. People who succeed long-term treat fat loss as a lifestyle, not a temporary fix. And if stress eating or emotional habits are holding you back, it's okay, seek support. That mental prep is step 1. Number 2, find your why. No one can make you lose weight. You need a strong internal reason. Want to feel confident again? Play with your kids without getting tired? Write it down, stick it on your fridge, remind yourself daily. This journey will have hard days, but your why will keep you going when willpower fades. And don't do this alone. Find a support system that lifts you up. Whether it's friends, family, or an online community, having people in your corner makes a huge difference. Number 3, set real goals, not unrealistic ones. Forget 10 pounds in 10 days. That's not healthy or sustainable. Aim to lose 1 to 2 pounds per week. That's the sweet spot. Set action goals like, walk 30 minutes daily, instead of only focusing on results like, lose 20 pounds. The action leads to the outcome. And even small wins, like losing 5% of your current body weight, can drastically lower your risk of diabetes, heart disease, and joint pain. Number 4, follow a smart, sustainable diet. Now let's talk food, because yes, fat loss starts in the kitchen. Load up on vegetables, 4 servings per day, fruits, 3 servings per day, whole grains like brown rice, oats, and whole wheat bread, healthy fats from avocados, nuts, and olive oil, lean proteins and low-fat dairy avoid. Processed junk, sugary drinks, refined grains like white bread, and slow down while eating. Mindful eating helps you recognize when you're full. No more mindless snacking in front of the TV. Number 5, move your body. Even a little helps. You don't have to become a gym rat overnight. Just get moving. 30 minutes of brisk walking a day is a great start. Strength training 2x a week? Even better. And think beyond workouts. Take the stairs, park farther away, walk during calls. Every extra step burns calories and builds momentum. Number 6, make it a lifestyle, not a diet. This is the most important part, long-term change. Crash diets might work short-term, but they fail long-term. Instead, build habits you can stick with for life. Start small. Tweak your routine. Forgive slip-ups. This isn't about perfection, it's about consistency. And if you fall off track, don't wait for Monday. Start the next meal. Get back on your path. If you're ready to take your fat loss to the next level, and want a proven step-by-step plan, check the link in the description. I've added a powerful training program that shows you exactly how to eat, move, and stay on track. Smash the like button if this helped. Subscribe for more realistic health tips. And let me know in the comments, which tip are you going to start with today?